Hello, I'm in a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then with the engine off, you'll find your dipstick here that you pull all the way out. And then I'd wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then we'll stick it all the way back in. And then you pull it all the way back out again. And then at this point, you'll check the end here. See that little safe zone? So ideally you should see the oil in between that range or just slightly higher. If it's much below that, especially if there's barely anything on this dipstick, you want to add some oil, which you can do for this cap here. Again, while the engine's off, just unscrew this, and then either straight from your quart jug or with a funnel, fill this as needed. Try not to overfill as well. And also try to make sure you use the proper type of oil, and ideally the same conventional, synthetic, and brand you've been using. Best not to mix and match, but top off is needed. Screw this on back nice and tight. And at this point I'd start the motor, run it for like 10-20 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. And then at that point I turn the motor off, and then repeat the original process of pulling this dipstick, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and then checking to see if you're around the right range. And then add more as needed. And that all said, don't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which typically, depending on the type of oil and the motor, I do between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. Mostly synthetics, you can do a little longer, but a lot of these higher mileage motors too, you might want to do it a little more often. But to do that, you put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw in the cap again, and then at that point from the top here you could add all of the needed oil for your particular motor, and then screw this back on. And at that point you can turn the vehicle on, circulate the new oil, and then you could double check too that you've got the right oil in, the right amount, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.